This is my 1948 Willys CJ2A, also known as my midlife crisis project. What have I gotten myself into? There's not much else to do other than just to do it. Alright, hey guys, it's day 178 of day 2. Check out all that slop in the steering box. You need to drain your transfer case first. Because if you don't, your transfer case is gonna drain itself. Yeah, ask me how I know. Yeah, I'm no expert, but I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to look like Pumpkin Spice SAE 90. When I bought this Jeep, I knew I was signing up for a challenge. I just did not know that there would be this many challenges. It's awesome. Flexible. That sounds like a couple people I used to know. I keep telling myself, I didn't sign up for this. Good God. Then I remind myself, yeah, I kinda did. Pumpkin Spice SAE 90, we meet again. Get a vintage Jeep, they said. It'll be great fun, they said. We'll get a lot of interesting looks. They obviously didn't realize it would smell like this. Alright, we're back at the parts washer. She is smoking like a chimney, but she's running. Doesn't run real well. So as it turns out, this alternator bracket was held on with hopes and dreams. Broken and crushed ones at that. Now I may be just a simple country sysadmin, but if it's that rusty, I don't know how the heck it can make a contact to do the thing that alternators do, you know? Check it out! It's got one light that works. That's it. What is going on here? This is... hopefully we'll make not too much of a mess with this. One step forward, 2 or 3 steps back. Guess we'll file this under. That don't look good. Wow, is that supposed to be that loose? Probably not. 1 out of 5 things done, okay? Had a mental math there. We reach into the darkness, and what do we pull out? Good. Ooh, a rock. Someone's been jeeping. Not this guy. This one feels alright. Yeah, it sure feels alright. In today's episode of how to restore a vintage Willys Jeep the wrong way, but I have front seats and the back seat. I don't even have a back seat, but there's the cushions for it. Priorities. This is a pair of blue jeans, and through the magic of editing and also not recording, the driver's seat will now be done. Pretend it's painted. I don't know what I'm doing. I hope I don't fuck this up. I don't want to say I'm getting good at this, because good takes time and practice, but I'm getting okay at this. Well, this is what happens when distractions rule your life. That's neat. Anyways, like right here, stuff like this. That's just bare wire. Actually just came off. This is the state of my harness. It's really hard to figure out what everything goes to when every wire is the same color. Alright, is that a continuity test or Morse code? Welcome back to the Sonic garage. I wonder which ones aren't giving me a good signal. Go ahead, take a guess. Let's check out the Dirt Dauber Hotel. Ah, shoot, here we go again. You ever get the feeling you're being watched? And with this, my set of handcrafted, artisan, free-range, avocado toast, whatever, brake lines is done.
Pumpkin Spice SAE90, we meet again.
Maybe the pumpkin spice was just up top. Nope, that's a milkshake. Welcome back to the garage of barely controlled chaos. I wonder if vintage Jeeps are a recession-proof investment. Who am I kidding? I will never recover from this financially. I have a great deal of time and effort and money invested in all of this, and it's sitting on the most stable piece of junk I could find on the side of the road. Yeah. Nope. Now if you look over, actually no, don't do that. Just step back, let's just stay over here. Socially distant paint job. Because as long as we stay over here and don't go over there, that looks okay. Well, you were the chosen one. You were at my daughter's wedding. I trusted you. You son of a... I'm about to do some sketchy shit. And I hope I get away with it. And that is the redneck flywheel resurfacing. Wouldn't be an episode without some sort of misadventure.